Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you an ancient practice that's all about cleansing your aura and removing negative energy. Spiritual baths have been used for centuries across various cultures and traditions. From the sacred Ganges in India to the healing springs of Lourdes, water has always been seen as a powerful conduit for purification and spiritual renewal. So, why should you consider taking a spiritual bath? Well, our daily lives are filled with interactions and experiences that can weigh heavy on our spirit, leaving us feeling drained or out of balance. A spiritual bath helps to wash away this accumulated negativity, rejuvenating your energy and bringing you back to a state of harmony. Now, let's get into how to take a spiritual bath. First, you'll need to gather some ingredients. Common items include Epsom salt, sea salt, diluted essential oils, and fresh herbs like rosemary or lavender. To avoid clogging your drain, you can make a tea out of the herbs and add it to the water. You can also add crystals such as amethyst or clear quartz for an extra boost of positive energy. Begin by running a warm bath, adding your chosen ingredients as the tub fills. Light some candles, and maybe burn some incense to set the mood. You can even put on a healing mantra or a binaural ambient playlist in the background. Once you're ready, step into the bath and take a moment to center yourself. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize the water surrounding you with a bright, cleansing light. You can even take this moment to invite any of your protective and healing deities, ancestors, or guides into your space. As you soak, focus on releasing any negative thoughts or feelings. Imagine them dissolving into the water, being washed away from your body and soul. Stay in the bath for at least 20 minutes, allowing the healing properties of the water to work their magic. Afterward, make sure to rinse off with clean water and thank the universe for this moment of healing. You'll step out feeling lighter, more balanced, and ready to face the world with renewed energy. Out of the tub, you can anoint your body with a blessing oil containing joyful vibrations like rose or citrus. Take a few minutes to rest and relax and let the experience integrate into your being. Incorporating spiritual baths into your routine, whether weekly, monthly, or following the cycles of the moon, can be a transformative practice. It's a beautiful way to cleanse your energy field of draining psychic energy and show yourself love and care, reminding you of your innate power and connection to the universe. So, next time you feel the weight of the world, remember, a spiritual bath might be just what you need to cleanse your aura and restore your inner peace. Stay blessed and keep shining, beautiful souls. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share to help others find this empowering ritual for healing.